Even if you are a Kenyan working or living abroad, as long as you have not officially changed your tax residency with KRA, you will still file returns as a resident individual. So who need to file returns? Any Kenyan PIN holders, including those abroad, whether employed, self-employed, or currently unemployed. Even if you don't earn income in Kenya, you still need to file a nil return. So common scenarios for Kenyans abroad. You are working abroad with no income from Kenya, working abroad but still earning rental or business income from Kenya. Your employer abroad declares your income to KRA, e.g. some NGOs. You registered a PIN but have never earned anything, you still file a nil return.
Please subscribe and turn on the notification bell for more videos like these.
What type of return should I file? File nil return if you have no income in Kenya and you are not declared. Click the card at the top right corner to begin filing. Next, you file employment return if the employer abroad declares to KRA. Click the card at the top right corner to begin filing. Next, you can file a mixed return if you have rental income, business, or any other income in Kenya. Click the card at the top right corner to begin filing. Some key tips for you. Use VPN if iTax does not load abroad. You can use a tax agent in Kenya to file on your behalf. Always confirm if you are on normal regime or MRI for your rental income. June 30th is the deadline. Penalties apply if you miss this even abroad. Follow us at RM Accounting Solutions for more tax and small businesses finance tips.
Kindly like, share, and subscribe to our channel. See you in the next video.